Today I invite you to make these painted egg invitations. Materials: 10 pieces of A4 card, scissors, hobby knife, cutting mat, permanent adhesive roller, 5 I6 envelopes. First, edit the invitation, writing the text that best suits your Easter event. Now we are going to build it. For this, we will make these folds with the non-cutting part of the knife, so as the paper bends well. Then, print the invitation and cut it out using scissors, trying to cut out perfect ovals. And we turn these folds forward and these backwards. Now, glue the top, being careful to match the egg crack. Ready to put on your envelopes. And don't forget to combine them with our surprise egg thank you cards.